Wait, what's wrong, you guys? Wait, hang on, Jen, it's my turn. Jen, it's my turn. Genevieve, look at me. Hey, you guys, it's my turn. It's my turn. My turn. Genevieve, my turn. Okay, I'm gonna cry. First, I'm gonna cry. Then Georgia, you cry. Then you cry. Okay, Jen? Okay, ready? Okay, hang on. Okay, Georgia, now it's your turn. Wait, it's not your turn yet. Georgia, now it's your turn. Georgia, cry. Okay, Jen, your turn. Good job. Good job. Yeah, good job. Okay, my turn. Hang on, my turn. Wait, Jen, it's my turn. Shh, it's my turn. My mommy. Okay, Georgia, your turn. Georgia, it's your turn to cry. Okay, go ahead, Jen. Your cry. Your turn. But go ahead, cry. It's your turn. What? Why not? I thought we were all crying for mommy. I know, but so you don't want to cry anymore? Okay. Well, I guess we're not playing the game anymore then. But that was an awesome game. Good job. You did so good. What an amazing job you did. Awesome job.